History of Cabiang Tunnel. Cabiang Tunnel was built in 2009 and opened in 2013. Cabiang Tunnel is a highway tunnel that passes through Mount Palaypalay National Park, also called Mount Pico del Oro. Cabiang Tunnel is the newly built tunnel in Maragondon, Cavite that connects the towns of Maragondon and Ternate in Cavite and Nasugbu in Batangas and is located along Nasugbu-Ternate Highway in Maragondon, Cavite. Cabiang Tunnel is the 300-meter tunnel is currently the longest scenic road tunnel in the Philippines.